Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for joining me. Recently, Justin Gatlin did an interview with Sportsmax where he talked about several things. But one of the main things that stuck out to me was when he spoke about his rivalry with Usain Bolt. Why I say put that in quotations is because, in my opinion, the rivalry that put Usain Bolt on the map was the rivalry with Tyson Gay. The Justin Gatlin thing came about after Tyson Gay was suspended. But if you remember correctly, the first time Usain broke the world record was a race against Tyson Gay in New York. So when he was asked about competing against Bolt, I guess the question of Bolt not liking him came up. So Gatlin responded, "Well, I don't even know what the confusion is when it comes to him not liking me, but I know that when you are at the top, you are competing for the best and you have a rival. You tend not to like them so much, and sometimes you have to not like them to be able to fuel that fire that you have against them." Let me continue before I give my opinion. I think one thing that we have for each other is that respect. That when I compete against him, I am going to bring my A game. And he knew that as well. And I knew that when he came, I always envisioned that it was going to be 9.5 Usain Bolt, regardless of which shape he was in, added Gatlin. All right. Now, in conclusion, does Usain Bolt not like Justin Gatlin? I don't know. Does it matter to me? No, it doesn't matter. When you compete, you don't have to be friends and you don't have to be enemies either. Like most top athletes always say, what matters is respect. And as long as you have respect and you carry yourself that way, everything will be okay. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. All right, see you next time.